Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making brownies for the second time. And this time we're going to attempt to do the bougie version, which is brownies with marshmallow fluff on top. Now I saw this recipe from Preppy Kitchen and I already have the recipe screenshot, so my niece and nephew are going to read out all the instructions to me, and then yeah, let's get into it. Okay,
here we go.
My hands are already washed. What's the first thing?
So first step, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which is like maybe 180 degrees.
Yeah. Prep a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper.
So anyway, my sister managed to get us a smaller baking dish, so we're going to use that. So hopefully this is small enough where we get like nice thick brownies.
Not flat brownies.
Not flat brownies, yeah.
And the brownies last time was a little too dry without it.
Kind of dry. Well, now we're gonna have marshmallow.
Why? Excuse me, why are you all critiquing my old brownies?
I'm not critiquing anything. I'm just saying
my niece is just so savage. We know the brownies before were horrible, and now we're getting another opportunity to make them better. So stop hurting my feelings. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm gonna go and spray and cook. At least she's being honest, so we know they were.
Not really that bad. They were just a little bit.
But we had sauce for them.
I know.
You know, like why?
But Mom wants.
She's criticizing the ones without the sauce.
Yes.
The pan is prepped.
In a bowl, combine eggs and sugar mixed together.
Eggs and sugar mixed together. Okay, can you tell me how much of sugar I need?
It says here that for the brownies you need 2 cups.
2 cups of sugar.
Yeah, which is 400.
Can you give me the sugar?
That's good.
Katie?
What does it look like?
It's the
tiny
red.
little grains.
It's the red bucket.
The red bucket.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but eggs look yummy even if they're not cooked.
Ew.
Well, it doesn't seem like it's bad for you because Dad drank one whole.
400.
Yes.
Okay. So this is 250.
Gee, that is a lot of sugar.
I would
Just
never
about
use
2
that
cups of
much
those.
sugar.
Okay, so I'm just filling this 3/4 of the way, so it's like 100 grams less. Okay, can you do me a favor?
Yep.
When I'm done, can you put these heavy things away?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm also going to add some vanilla essence because they actually have vanilla essence in the marshmallow fluff, and it's actually homemade, but we have this marshmallow frosting mix that we're going to use from Woolies. So I'm going to be putting in about a cupful and a half of vanilla essence. Should we put more? No. Maybe another.
Okay.
I mean, I like vanilla flavor, so.
Yes.
Me as
Vanilla
well.
makes
Vanilla and caramel.
Okay.
vanilla
Best
makes
cookies ever.
everything
It is.
taste nice.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna get mixing. Is it just sugar and eggs?
Yeah, it just says in a bowl combine eggs and sugar and mix together.
Okay. And then what's the next step?
Next step, it says sift cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and salt into a separate bowl. Mix again.
Into a separate bowl.
Yes.
And then mix it.
Yes.
Okay.
Again.
So we need this.
Well, it smells good
This is what that mixture looks like.
when it's done.
So instead of making a whole complicated story of life, I'm
Just
going
gonna do
to
it
just
one
do it
time.
in here. Can you hold this up for me?
Okay.
Thank you. How much of
4
cocoa powder?
tablespoons cocoa powder.
Okay, we don't have 4 tablespoons, which is 30 grams.
You could just use a tablespoon and then do it 4 times.
No, there's not enough.
Can you hold this 30 ml cup for me? Because that's how much cocoa powder we need.
Okay.
Oh, I think we need 60 actually. Go up there and see how much we need.
It says, yeah, 30.
30.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 30. Okay. I'm just gonna finish whatever's left in the tin.
Looks like milk tart.
It does, hey?
Something like
Milk tart.
Thank you.
milk tart when it's on, because I'm sure they use cocoa powder on milk tart. I'm not sure.
They do. Is
Yeah, so then
baking powder.
Yeah, next is flour, then the baking powder and salt.
Okay. How much of flour?
The flour is, let me just check here. 1 cup flour, 120 thing.
120 ml. But this is 1 cup for us, so hopefully this works out.
Whoa.
Then baking powder.
Yeah, then baking
powder.
powder. Then the salt.
The salt.
How much baking powder?
Let me just check.
1 teaspoon.
The baking powder, it says, yeah, 1 teaspoon.
And the salt?
The salt, checking, 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
One teaspoon. That's 2 teaspoons.
Yep. Okay, so let's just serve that. Okay, what's the next step?
Okay, next step is combine with egg and sugar mixture, which you've already done.
Okay.
So then toss in chocolate chip and melted butter.
Okay. So let's mix this in first.
It's gonna taste really nice.
This is turning out different to the others, the other brownies. This most likely
we
a
haven't
different
had
recipe.
We haven't had, yeah, it is a different recipe, but also we haven't added the butter yet.
That's a one.
No wonder it looks so chunky. Wait, do we need all that?
Yep, this is all the butter we need.
Wow.
That didn't even just made a noise like moink.
It didn't even fall all the way down.
It's falling, it's falling.
Because butter doesn't.
Can you go put the butter in the fridge for me? No,
Microwave.
You go put it in the fridge. I'm gonna go put it in the microwave. Okay, then I'm gonna put in the butter.
Whoa! That's butter?
Mm-hmm.
You kidding?
Butter heaven. This is salted butter, by the way.
Salted butter. And that's gonna be kind of salty.
No, you don't really taste
I
it.
know, because you have to add salt. So,
Just so it's not too sweet.
Next, we're gonna go in with chocolate chips. This is from Woolies.
yes, add batter to pan. Yeah, toss in the chocolate. You gotta improvise when you don't have what you need.
Ooh.
What's that?
Taste one. Taste one.
Ooh.
It's dark chocolate.
Mm-mm.
It's not.
Okay, I'm gonna save some for myself for later. Jokes.
Yeah, this is all.
I'm gonna put 3/4 of the chocolate chips in here, and then mix the batter.
Wow, that is chunky.
I know.
Oh no, the wooden spoon.
Ooh, it looks so yummy.
Okay, did we follow all of the instructions?
Yep, to the T.
Okay, to the T.
And
So,
then number
this
6
is what the mixture looks like right now.
the batter.
The batter.
There's tiny chunks. It's hard to see.
Oh, not really. They kind of stand out because of the shape.
They're going to melt.
Whoa!
just like dough, just that it's not. Looks so yummy. I want to
And
eat
it smells so good.
It does.
It smells like vanilla essence because there is vanilla essence.
In it. No matter what flavor. Even if it's strawberry, they're never pink. I have a lot of humor in me.
Yep, you do. Okay, come this side and taste it.
Nom, nom.
I'm going to take some of this one.
Please can you share?
Oh, that's so good. Need more.
Okay, so this is it. It's gonna go in the oven now. Okay, so the brownies are in the oven.
Yay.
And we have to let them cool before we put on the marshmallow fluff. Someone's very excited for the marshmallow fluff. Okay, so we actually have to beat this. We have to add water and beat it on high speed for about 6 to 10 minutes. And I already have the... Can you stop? I'm trying to speak. Anyway, so we have to beat this in the hand mixer for about 6 to 10 minutes on high speed until the mixture becomes fluffy. So we will see you guys once we're ready to make the marshmallow fluff. Okay guys, so it already looks like 100 times better than the last batch of brownies we tried to make, and it already smells so good. We have about 9 more minutes to go. Okay, just took it out of the oven. It's literally still bubbling, so I'm just gonna let it cool down. Okay, so like I've said before, my sister's oven is a convection oven, so I didn't leave it in the oven for the full 30 minutes. I actually left it in for about a few minutes less. I would say 27 minutes in total. Okay, it's time for the marshmallow fluff. So I'm just gonna eyeball how much to put in here. It smells so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna use a whisk and just add water. It says like 120 mils of water for the whole bag, but I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. Okay everyone, so this is what the brownie looks like. It has a little bit of these, I think when it was baking it rose up on the sides and then it kind of collapsed, so that's why we have that situation. But there's like chocolatey gooiness, puddles. Oh, I am so ready to put this in my belly, but I'm gonna let this cool down fully before we put on the marshmallow fluff. This is what the marshmallow fluff looks like. It should stay like this pretty much. I might just pop it into the fridge while we wait for the brownies to cool down. So I'm just gonna cut this up. It's just, it has a crispy coating on the top, you guys, and in the center it's almost like gooey and fudgy. Oh my god. Oh my god, like, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. This is the best brownie I have ever made in my life. Do you guys see that? It has like a crispy coat on the top and bottom. Oh, okay, so what I did with the leftover potato chips, chocolate chips, is that I kind of crushed it with a rolling pin and then put it in the fridge. So it kind of solidified, and I'm going to use that as garnish.
It's a storming.
It's about to rain. Wait. Somebody pause. I didn't take a picture. How is it? Savor it. Why are you rushing?
It's so good.
Is it?
Taste them.
I have tasted it already.
Tastes no, it's good. Very good.
Is it way better than the last time? And it's fudgy this time. It's a win. Do I get a thumbs up? Okay, you guys should probably go back to the safari thing. Take your brownies with you.
Yay!
And that, you guys, is a brownie success. I'm so excited. This is the fudgiest, tastiest brownies I have ever made in my entire life. And I think the marshmallow fluff is just going to add to it. But I'm going to make myself one. And then I'll let you guys know the tea. But I also need to make some for my sister and brother-in-law. So let me do that also. Okay, let's taste, because the rain is actually coming down. It does have that crispy layer to get through, but oh, look at that. Oh my god. This is so good, and it's so fudgy. This brownie is, oh my god, it is amazing. It's delicious. It is just, I hit this one out of the park. Finally, yay! I will leave the video of the recipe I followed down below in the description bar or up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's about to storm, so I need to end this video off now. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, sorry.